OnePlus is looking to make a splash on the budget wireless earbuds market, much like they did with the OnePlus Nord for the mid-range smartphone market. But are the OnePlus Buds worth it? Hi, I'm Rado with PhoneArena, and I spent a few days using both the OnePlus Buds and Apple's second-gen AirPods in order to find out, while keeping in mind that the latter cost about $80 more. First of all, it's not a stretch to say that the case of the Buds is suspiciously similar to the AirPods case. Although it is larger and more rounded, the design elements between it and the AirPods case are one-to-one, especially if you look at their backsides. The circular sync button, the metallic hinge, it's all very similar. We've seen our share of AirPod clones in the past, so it's hardly a new thing, but it's noteworthy that OnePlus is also going for the AirPods design without even trying to hide it. One area where the OnePlus Buds case is notably different is its matte finish. In my opinion, it feels a bit grippier and more premium than the shiny plastic on the AirPods case. The actual earbuds themselves are made out of shiny plastic, again very similar to the design of the AirPods, but with thicker and slightly shorter stems, which also have larger tips that feature a unique design element, touch-sensitive discs. OnePlus says those discs are CD inspired in design, and they definitely look nice, arguably the OnePlus Buds defining feature. By default, the discs can be used for skipping tracks and answering phone calls by tapping one of them twice or pressing and holding respectively. The earbuds fit snugly into their case with a satisfying magnetic snap and don't feel any less premium than Apple's AirPods in that regard. The earbuds are also IPX4 splash resistant, although the case isn't. The OnePlus Buds require a OnePlus phone for software updates and configuring touch gestures. They are, however, capable of connecting and being used with both Android smartphones and iPhones. The initial pairing process is quick and effortless, and I even found the OnePlus Buds a bit quicker to pair to my iPhone than the AirPods. It's also a strong and reliable Bluetooth connection, as I was able to walk far from my phone without it breaking. However, often if the earbuds have been sitting outside of their case and I come back to use them, they won't both start playing. Only the right earbud would play music the first few seconds. It's an annoyance and something to have in mind. This doesn't happen if the earbuds have been sitting in their case, thankfully, so it seems best to always keep them inside when not using them. I've seen people complain about the lack of rubber tips on these earbuds, which can make for a looser feel, poor noise cancelling and generally worse sound if they don't fit well in your ear. In my case, however, the earbuds fit perfectly, and no amount of head shaking would make them budge even remotely. Thus, I didn't experience any sound quality or noise cancelling issues. Over time, however, the earbuds' larger size did start getting noticeable, irritating my ears a little. The AirPods are definitely slightly more comfy to wear for long periods of time, because their tips are smaller. In any case, those are all minor gripes. It may differ from person to person, but in my experience, the OnePlus Buds fit well and securely into my ears. As for how they sound, switching between the OnePlus Buds and the AirPods left me impressed with how identical the sound quality is between the two. There is no audio downgrade here, despite the Buds' lower price. The sound from the OnePlus Buds is rich, clear and full, while the surrounding world is properly silenced thanks to the Buds' snug fit and their active noise cancelling. Again though, it's important to note that others who have tried the Buds didn't have the exact same experience. If the Buds happen not to fit perfectly in your ears, the sound quality and noise cancelling can be worse, and since they don't have any rubber tips to choose from, you won't be able to do anything about it. The bass on both the Buds and the AirPods is about equal, not the strongest but well present. It is very slightly cleaner and punchier on the AirPods. All in all, the OnePlus Buds offer impressive sound for their price. They should satisfy anyone's music and podcast listening needs, so long as users have reasonable expectations for this form factor. They can also get very loud, making them usable even in crowded environments and plane rides. As previously mentioned, both earbuds feature little touch-sensitive discs. If you don't have a OnePlus phone, you'll be stuck with their two default functions: double tap to skip a song or hold to answer a phone call. If you do have a OnePlus phone, you can change what those gestures do. They can pause the music or activate a voice assistant instead, for example. And last but not least, to pause your music, you simply take out one of the earbuds. It would have been nice if OnePlus had a dedicated app for the Buds through which anyone could configure the gestures, but that's a minor gripe and may be addressed in the future. And now to battery life. You should be able to enjoy at least 2 full days of music, if not many more depending on how often you actually use the Buds. On their own, the earbuds can last up to 7 hours on a charge, but each time you place them back in their case, they will recharge from it, which adds up to about 30 hours of battery life. So, should you buy the OnePlus Buds? Well, do you need fully wireless earbuds that are well priced and sound good? If so, the OnePlus Buds can be a solid choice over Apple's AirPods. And there are many other alternatives. Especially if you're already rocking a OnePlus smartphone, you'll do right to choose the OnePlus Buds. But you can also use them just fine with an iPhone or any other Android phone. It's impressive what OnePlus has managed to deliver for this price point, and a sign that the time has come for fully wireless earbuds to start getting more affordable and accessible to everyone. So those were the OnePlus Buds. If you enjoy watching content like this and would like to see more, feel free to hit that subscribe button. I'm Rad with PhoneArena. Thank you for watching.